Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English Together. I am Nikki.
And I am Ash. We are so excited about today's episode, Nikki, because we are not just giving people grammar tips. We are talking about something deeply physical, something that holds back millions of English learners.
That's right, Ash. If you are listening and you are understanding everything, but your mouth freeze when it's time to speak, this episode is your turning point. We are going to fix the untrained mouth.
Hmm. And we promise you, by the end of this, you will look in the mirror and say, Yes, I finally understand how to train my mouth to talk.
Part 1, the shocking truth. It means it's muscular, not mental. Let's start with the truth bomb. Ash, what the core problem nobody tells in English learners?
The core problem is simple. Your mouth does not know how to move like an English speaker. It is not your grammar. It is not your vocabulary. It is your mouth. You have trained your brain to read and understand, but you have not trained your mouth muscles to produce the sound.
Think about like this. You can read 100 books about to push up. You understand a perfect form, but you never actually do one. What happens when you try? You collapse.
Exactly. Your tongue, your lips, and your jaw, they are lazy. They are used to the rhythm and sounds of your native language. They don't know how to handle the English speed, stress, and sound patterns like the or link sounds.
Lack of physical training is why you freeze up. Speaking is not only mental, it's muscular. And until you start treating your mouth like a muscle in the gym, you feel stuck. But the good news is you can change this and it does not take hours.
Part 2, the daily 5-minute mouth training routine. Okay, let's get practical. Nikki, we have broken down this training into 4 simple steps that take just 5 minutes a day. Consistency is the key here. 5 minutes of focused physical rep- repetition.
This is your daily English gym session. First one, mouth warm up.
Just like workout, you need to warm up. You need to shift your lips, tongue, and jaw from your native language rhythm into English mode.
We recommend 4 quick things. First one, lip rolls. Buzz your lips like a motorbike for 5 seconds and it's 3 times.
Tongue stretch. Push your tongue out and back in slowly for 10 minutes. Jaw loosening. Third point. Listen, jaw loosening. Gently open and close your mouth wide to release stiffness.
Fourth one, smile stretch. Stretch your smile wide, hold and relax.
That's good. That might sound silly, but a warm mouth is ready mouth. It loosens tension and activates the muscles you need for smooth English.
Step 2, the mirror technique. The mirror is your secret weapon. You have to face yourself. Look into your own eyes and choose a simple power sentence like, I am learning to speak confidently.
Yes, say that sentence slowly, focusing entirely on your lip and jaw movement and maintaining eye contact. Say it 5 times, getting slightly faster each time.
This skill, the fear of judgment, you are building speaking presence and clarity. It feels awkward at first time, but after a week, you feel powerful.
Yes, exactly. Step 3, shadow speaking. This is where fluency is born. Shadow speaking means you listen to a short 5 to 10 seconds clip, a movie, a podcast, or anything, and you immediately repeat it aloud, trying to match the speaker's speed, tone, and rhythm.
It's not about memorizing the word, it's about matching the music of speech. Don't use your accent, don't use your slow rhythm, just copy the original. This train your ears, mouth, and brain together for real time reaction.
Yes, good. Step 4, fluency loop. Let's finish the loop. Take a sentence like, I am going to improve my English, and say it at 3 speeds. Slow, focusing on clarity. Second, normal, smooth and steady. And third, fast, link and confident.
Perfect, Ash. Repeat that cycle 3 times. This builds comfort with speed and help you stop overthinking. That's it. 5 minutes, life changing impact.
Now, we talking about part 3, speak like a native. It means sound cluster and flow.
So, Ash,
Yes,
most people with perfect grammar still sound unnatural. Why?
because they speak like robots. They breaks every word. Am going to the market. But native speakers don't talk like that. They speak in sound cluster that flow like music.
We call this speech music. Instead of thinking word by word, you need to think in smooth unit of sounds.
Yes. For instance, a learner might say, what are you doing? But a native speaker says, what's the doing? They blend and remove sounds. What are you doing becomes what's the doing.
It's not about having an American or British accent. It's about having flow. When you sound smooth, even with a slight accent, people recognize high confidence and fluency.
Yes, exactly, Nikki. Now we talk about the sound cluster daily practice. To master this, here's what you do daily. First, choose 3 cluster, pick common phrases, give give me a minute. I got to go. Let me know. Say them like a song. Second point, say them like a song. Repeat them 10 times like a rhythm or a rap. Can you understand? Repeat them 10 times like a rhythm or a rap. Rhythm creates muscle memory. Point, Nikki say,
And third point was Use them in a sentence. You can say, I gotta go now, see you later, as one smooth sound. And fourth one, record yourself. Check your flow. This is non negligible.
Yes, exactly. Very good, Nikki.
Practice these phrases until they flow.
Practice phrases. What they think. Second, give me a minute. Third, I wanna do it. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound smooth, clear, and confident. Sound cluster are the heartbeats of fluent speech.
So, guys, now we're talking about part 4, train your brain and mouth together.
Yes, Nikki, here's where we address this internal freeze. Your mouth cannot speak what your brain does not believe. First, fear. Second, judgment. And last one, overthinking. Overthinking kill fluency before the first sound comes out.
Yes, Ash, we have to train the brain to be the confident pilot of the mouth's aeroplane.
Yes, first speak with emotion, not just accuracy. Stop focusing on grammar, correctness, and focus on connection. People remember your energy and your emotion, not your perfect tense.
Train your brain to feel the sentence. Don't say, I am happy to be here, like a robot. Say it with a genuine smile and presence. English is the emotion in sound.
Yes, speak like an actor, not a student.
This is powerful. Pick a short line, can't believe this happened, and say it with three different emotions: excited, angry, and nervous.
When you act, your brain bypass fear and self judgment. You become the energy of the sentence. You feel alive while speaking. Stop being the shy student. Start being the expressive speaker.
Third one, use moment. Want to supercharge the connection? Use your whole body. Stand up, move your hands, change your posture. When you move, your brain remembers better, your voice gets louder, and your confidence gets stronger.
Yes, exactly. That's a good practice. You are not just training to talk, you are training to speak with a presence. Combine the emotion, the rhythm, the voice, and the movement. When you do this, you don't just speak English, you become a speaker of English.
Part 5, the final truth. Ash, let's stop everything and just speak the final truth. You are not bad at English.
Hmm.
You are just not practicing the right way consistency.
Yes, you don't need another tip, you need real training. We see millions of people who know more grammar than native speakers, but they can't speak because they consume English passively, but they don't train actively.
Yes, think about the opportunities you have lost because you didn't speak, the job you didn't get, the friend you could not make, all because that uncertain silence.
It's untrained silence. But you can change the next 30 days. Fluency is not goal, it's a decision. A decision to train your mouth every day no matter how awkward you feel.
Yes, fluency is built in the mirror, in your living room, in the silence repetition nobody sees. But one day they will hear you speak and they will say, wow, you are so fluent, and you will know you earn it.
Yes, exactly. So, here is our challenge to you. Say this out loud right now. I will no longer be silent. I will train my mouth every day and I will speak English no matter what.
Yes, this voice is yours. This language is yours. This dream is yours. Now claim it.
Don't let fear control your voice. Don't let doubt steal your fluency. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent, brave, and loud.
Thank you for joining us on Learn English Together. If this episode helped you, please subscribe and share it with someone who is still silent.
And comment below with our motto, I will train my mouth every day, no matter what.
And remember, the most fluent people are not the smartest. They are the one who refuses to stay silent.